wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite mods. For 2014 to 2019 Tacomas, they do not have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And so I considered replacing the entire stereo. However, I found an adapter called CARabc, and I'm very impressed, and I just wanted to show you how it works. So again, this is a 2019 Tacoma with Toyota Entune 2.0, and I've added the CARabc adapter to convert it into wireless Apple CarPlay. This is the main menu for the adapter. Here you can select CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Auto Link, which should mirror your phone. I tried it, but I did not like it, so I uninstalled it. That's the main screen. Here's the main menu with the apps. Let me remove this here for a second. Here you can navigate using the little bars on the left, up and down, to see the type of apps do you have. To go into the settings for Android Auto, you just click here. You can toggle on and off some of the settings there. To go into the device menu, you hit exit here, and you'll find that you can connect the CarPlay, set up Android Auto, whatnot. And here in settings, there's two things I want to really to show. First of all was the display. This is how I have my settings. The second section that I wanted to show you was the audio equalizer. At first, the audio quality was kind of bland until I discovered that it had an equalizer. And if you want to pause the video, that's how I currently have it, and it sounds awesome. So what's the camera? You can install a front camera to the device, and it'll allow you to see the front. This will be great for off-roading and also parking in tight places. This is where I installed the camera. There's no issues with this sensor, so it works fine. And one little cool feature about the camera that I discovered later on is that there's a setting in here called front camera. If you put the front camera on 0, it will not auto start, and I'll show you in a second what I mean. So I put it on the max at 10 seconds, and the cool feature is it'll automatically activate when I shift to reverse, and once I hit drive, there you go. You can see the camera for a couple seconds, 10 seconds, which is auto activated, and I thought that was really cool. And that's pretty much it. There's a USB function. I ran the cable through the radio to the back under this plastic cover, and I have it right in here just in case I ever want to connect something. But I have not used it, haven't found it necessary, and that's about it. It works great. I'm very happy with it. YouTube music works perfect. It gives you all the different options. Spotify works great as well. Just give it a second to load. There you go. And there's other apps that you can download that'll function with the device as well. That's it. Just wanted to give you an overview of CARabc, and I give it a thumbs up